Hello dear Phasmatic friends. Today we're gonna solve equations with the form of a quadratic equation, but that are not as a traditional quadratic equations. Follow me please. First of all, we have to identify that we have one equation. Here we have the equal sign, one expression on the left side, one expression on the right side, and the most important, here the exponent is twice the exponent that is here. So we can imagine that we have an equation similar to x squared plus 9x plus 8 equal to 0. Can you see here the exponent is twice the exponent that is here? Twice. Here I have number 1 as a coefficient, number 9, number 8. So, if this equation can be solved with the quadratic formula, then this equation will be solved with the quadratic formula. Let's go, please. Remember that the quadratic formula for this equation is x equals to negative v positive negative square root of b squared negative 4ac divided by 2a. In this case, if you think a little bit, here the x, here the x to the third power. So here the formula will be x to the third power equals to negative v positive negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a little bit the difference between a normal traditional quadratic equation and a quadratic form equation. So here you have the a, the b, and the c. The same here. The coefficient of x to the power of 6 is a. The coefficient of x to the power of 3 is b. And the number that is alone is c. Then I will write it. A equals to 1, b equals to 9, c equals to 8. And we use the quadratic formula. But remember this small difference. Then negative, the value of b, positive negative, the square root of the value of b squared, minus 4 times the value of a times the value of c, and everything divided by 2 times the value of a. After that, we calculated negative 9, positive negative, the square root of 81 minus 32 divided by 2 times 1, 2. And after that is negative 9, positive negative, the square root of 49 divided by 2. Then we have negative 9, positive negative 7 divided by 2. That means that we have two possible solutions. X to the power of 3 equals to negative 9 plus 7 divided by 2, and x to the power of 3 equals to negative 9 minus 7 divided by 2. So here we have negative 2 divided by 2. And here we have negative 16 divided by 2. So negative 1, so negative 8. That is that here we have x to the power of 3 equals to negative 1, and here x to the power of 3 equals to negative 8. To solve that, it is very simple. You need to eliminate the exponent 3, so you write the cubic root of that. But if you put a cubic root here, you are going to put a cubic root here also. The same here, cubic root. And now, cubic root with exponent 3, goodbye. So you have x equals to negative 1, because negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And here, cubic root with exponent 3, goodbye, and you have negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. And that's it, dear phasmatic friends. See you next video. See you next time.